Right now, it looks like we're in for a warm night and a warm weekend. Our Kelly Plasker, newest on the air for KMAC and for Ron Roberts tonight.
Thanks, Carla. Yeah, we do have a pleasant night in store for this evening. Let's go ahead and check out the sky cam over at Covenant. As you can see, clear skies. It's going to be warm outside. Taking a look at current conditions around town for our high school football games. Idalou, 91 degrees, currently southwest winds, and dew points a little bit low, but we're starting to see those rise as we see that dry line moving around our area. Winds at 14 miles per hour. And then over in Levelland, 92 degrees, light winds again, and dew points at 42. If we go ahead and take a look at what's going on with high school football right now, we've got a few games going on. I am a Friendship graduate, so I'm going to have to be rooting for the Tigers against Monterey. Sorry, guys, if that disappoints you. But we do expect conditions to be rather pleasant. Highs in the 80s and a little bit breezy for the most part. We'll be back later on with the rest of your weather.
Live and local. This is KMAC News.
Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's go ahead and look outside at what's going on with live 10-point Doppler 1 radar. Again, as I mentioned, it's a little quieter than we had last night. There are some storms going on over in the big country. That trough has moved in the area and it's causing a little bit of an uproar over there. But over in the South Plains, we are looking nice and dry for this evening. Now we do have that dry air moving around about the area. Let's check out what's going on. In Amarillo, we still have some temperatures up in the 90s, and you can see that your dew points are a little bit lower. Look at that, about 27 for the dew points in Amarillo. But then as we move around closer to Ransom Canyon, those are getting a little bit higher. That's that dry line that's moving around. It's going to be a little bit drier, as I mentioned, throughout the rest of the day. Now, your futurecast is going to have a little bit of activity for the next several days. We're going to see a cold front move into the area. Possibly showers Sunday afternoon with the heating of the day, but we expect, though, by Monday afternoon we'll start to see that move out a little bit. But then look at what the winds are going to do. Tomorrow we're going to see this front move into the area. It's going to change our wind directions a little bit. If you're out there on the golf course, you might want to take that into consideration. That is going to increase, but nothing substantial as far as heavy winds. Going to stay about 15 miles per hour for the most part. And then again, we have a game going on tomorrow. I know everybody's excited about that. I'm not going to be able to be there because I'll be here working. But David Collier is going to have nice temperatures out there. First quarter starting out 83 degrees. By the fourth quarter, in the upper 60s. So it's going to be rather pleasant out there. Hopefully they'll have a lot of water for everybody. And so we want to make sure that if they don't, you go ahead and take your umbrella and water with you. Saturday, again, high temperatures in the upper 80s. And then we have a possibility of showers tomorrow evening. But as we move on, we may see that front. We're going to keep an eye on that for the most part throughout the weekend and let you know of any changes that we may expect to that. But for the most part, we're seeing 10% as our possibilities for rain, and if that happens, that might be good, but I know our ag producers are hoping for higher temperatures throughout the week.
Somehow I think they're going to get that.
I think so too.
All right, Kelly, very new. This is first day on the air here, but you have been here actually for a number of months now, helping Ron out in the weather lab.
Absolutely. I've been doing the internet videos, which, you know, kind of throws me off because that's a little more fast paced and we don't have near as much as far as what we show on the air, but it's exciting and I enjoy working with you. That's
Likewise.
The best part.
Welcome aboard.